Today I'm going to tell you about paprika in our cello playing. And for me, paprika is a little bit more subtle of an ingredient than salt and pepper. And it's something you have to know how to use. And paprika for me is the point of contact between the fingerboard and the bridge. So if I use not so much paprika, I'm near the fingerboard. If I use a lot, I'm near the bridge. And combining this with weight and bow speed, which are the salt and pepper, so here's the same weight, same bow speed. A little bit more weight, which is salt. Take that weight to here. So you really need to find out how to mix them. So today's experiment is about finding the different points of contact. And being led by the points of contact. What does this point near the fingerboard need in terms of weight and bow speed? So let me know what you think about paprika and the point of contact. Tomorrow I'm going to tell you the secret of adding curry to your cello playing. So make sure to follow along.